Want to know how to create a new workspace in Lovable? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step plan on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Lovable AI application, and once you've done that, you should be provided with this interface right here. So now, once you're in this interface, right here, on the top right side, you should be seeing your current profile. So if you don't see it, you need to log in. So make sure you have logged in so far. That just simply watch our latest video. We have created a video on how to log in or sign up, so make sure to watch it. Now on the top right side, you should be seeing your profile. Just simply select it, and here you should be seeing your workspaces. So your current workspace right now, which is free, is by default. Now just select create new workspace right here. Now just simply enter your workspace name and then select continue to plan. So unfortunately, you require a pro plan for this, so make sure you have pro plan or any business plan in order to continue to create an extra workspace. And that's it. That's how you easily create a workspace in Lovable. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.